Visalus Money. I've been introduced to this company just 2 months ago, and I'm telling you it's been fantastic, really fantastic thing.
He said he's a director of Visalus Money. When he introduces himself, it makes him seem much bigger.
Find unity also. When I have a cold or a flu coming on, it normally takes me about 3 weeks to get over. With divine unity, in 3 days, all my symptoms cleared up. 3 days. I'm also troubled with hypertension since 1992. I run at 171 over 110, and it's really high. Stage 2 hypertension. In the science journal, I saw that this gentleman used it to bring his pressure down. I've been taking enalapril, those of you who know about pressure tablets. I decided to stop taking it because enalapril makes you become impotent. So, I started taking the bypass, and my pressure, today I check it daily. I was this morning 180 over 140, which is I would recommend you not to leave here today without going on the bypass.
He meant 140 over 80. The people who clap for anything, I don't know.
I am Charity from the Regional Director of Visalus Money, and I have been using the product for 9 or 10 months. I started with the bypass, and I have had tremendous results. Can I tell you, I have excellent energy. In fact, I told some people the other day, I can now take on the Blue Mountain. So after Dr. Jamaican asked me how it was. But also, I have found that after over 20 years of having heart palpitations constantly, almost every day, I can now testify that I no longer have that problem.
And the upside here. The ups. The ups in the back. Ups. He just stays. Up. He just stays in the audience.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do nothing else, make a decision for your own health. Make a decision to use the best products there are on the marketplace. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dave Bartlett. I was introduced to this company 3 months today. Ever since I've been on the bypass, I have a condition state which I've been to the doctor, antibiotics. As soon as the antibiotics go away, the condition will come back. Within 12 days, on the bypass, my condition started to disappear. Into the 5th day, there was no more symptoms. It's amazing what happened. So you see, I will say to you all who have not introduced yet to the bypass, it's a supplement that I think is the best among the marketplace today. I am a proud director of the Visalus company, and I will remain going there and taking the bypass. So I urge all of you who have not yet introduced to the bypass, please do so before you leave here. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Oliver. After I started taking the bypass just 1 month ago. But from my early days, I was employed. I had a blood problem. My blood was going low. And no matter what I do, all the jobs that I go to, I couldn't live without doing good. It almost cost me my job. I got a job with, and you know what, those big companies, when you work with them, you have to do your medical and all that. And it almost cost me my job because I had all the other aspects of the medical. But I just could not pass the blood to 5 people. And I was referred to a hematology, and they worked with me on the blood. It just could not happen. When I go to bed at night, sometimes I feel stress on my heart. And I can tell you, when I started taking the bypass 1 month ago, I have not felt that that kind of problem any at all. So I'm saying to you this evening, if this is the only decision that you're going to make for the media, please make that decision, Mr. President. We're talking about being a good decision about yourself. And all of that comes your way.
Do the back up.